Good morning children. Here video number 3 of lesson number 1. In this we are going to learn unit number 1.8 to 1.9 which is there on the page number 61 to 62. We are going to learn in 1.8 comparing numbers and in 1.9 ordering numbers. In comparing the numbers, just simple, the greatest, smallest and equal. Again you have to search which number is equal, which number is greater and which number is smallest. So as I told you, here you can see crocodile face. So crocodile always open its face in front of the greatest number. So let's go. There are some steps to compare 4-digit numbers. So we'll go step by step. So I took here one example, 4234, and another number is 4236. So the first step is to compare the digit in the thousands place. We always start from the thousands place. Okay. So check out which number is there on the thousands place. The first number, in the first number the first digit is 4, which is on the thousands place, 4, and in second number also on thousands place 4 is there. Numbers are same on the thousands place, then you have to go for the second place value, which is the step number 2. If the both digits are same, then go to the next place value, which is hundreds. So check out which number is there. On first number, on 100 place 2 is there, 200, and then second number again the same, 200. So both are same. Then we have also both numbers are same. So we'll go for the next place value, which is tens. So what I written here, if the both digits are same, then go to the next place value, tens. So here also in first number on tens place 3 is there, in a second number also on tens place same 3 is there. Numbers are same on the tens place, then next step you know very well what to do. You have to check the numbers on the ones place. So what is the written here? If the digits in the tens place are also the same, then compare the digit in the ones place. So see, on ones place here 4 is there and here 6 is there. Both are same? Yes, correct. It is not same, they are different from each other. Even on one place 4 is there and in another number 6 is there. So when both numbers are different, then you have to check which number are greater than the other number. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, you have to check 4 or 6, which one is greater, which one is the smallest. So 4 is big or 6 is big? Yes, correct, 6 big. 6 number is big. So you as I told you that crocodile face, so crocodile always want to eat the biggest number, big number. So the mouth should be in front of the 6. So you don't have to take tension that how should we compare, how should we check whether which 4 digits are there, thousands numbers are there. So how to check? Very easy, just compare both number on the same place value, then go for the next, wherever you will get the different number, that place value you have to check, and that number you have to check, and you can search it, you can get it very easily. So here 4234 is smaller than 4236. I shown you one more way to check greater or smaller. Here the same number I have drawn here place value chart. Okay, so you have to keep place value chart according to your numbers. So here thousands are there, so I have drawn here up to 1000, and you have to keep your numbers in the chart. So first read with me. You have to try to read also the numbers. Here 4234. So how you will read? You have to keep the numbers same. 4000 means on thousands place 4 will come. 200 means on hundreds place 2 comes. The 30 means on tens place 3 will come, and 4 means on ones place 4 comes. Like that, next number also you have to keep like that. 4000 means 4, 2 means 200 means 2 on 100 place, 80 means on tens place 8, and 9 means on ones place 9. Okay, so you are getting very easily. Now check on thousands place, both numbers are same. So what is the second step? Very good, you have to check on the hundreds place. So see here on 100 place, here again both numbers are same, 2 2. Then the third step, go for the next place value, which is 10. Okay, so on tens place 3 and 8, so both are same. 3 and 8, no na. So on tens place numbers are changed, digits are changed. So you have to check here, either 3 is big or 8. So can you tell me? Yeah, obviously 3 is smaller than 8. So which number will bigger and smaller? 4234, 4289. 3 is smaller than 8. So 4289 is the greatest number, biggest number. So for the greatest, the greater than sign will come here. One more example. I think you have understand this. So let's go for the ascending and descending order. In ascending order, we will learn ordering 4-digit numbers in this ascending and descending order. As you know, ascending order, I explained you lots of time. Maybe you bahated this. Under ascending order. Ascending order means when we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it the ascending order. So this photo, here also ascending order, first smallest number, then big and the biggest, greatest number. Let's go for one example. Some boxes are there. In this, different numbers are there. 4-digit numbers are there. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So first we'll go for the ascending order. So first we'll read this number and you have to repeat with me. Okay, 3280. 3280. Next one, 2047, because 4700 place is not there, so just you have to read 2047. Next one, yes, 2796. Very good. And the last number is 3206. Just check out which number is smallest one here. Can you tell me? Smallest. Yeah, again you have to compare, like on thousands place which number is there, then go for the next number. Correct. The smallest number is 2047. 2047. Very good. Now we'll search for the greatest number. Can you tell me which is the greatest number here? Very good. 3280 is the biggest number here, greatest number here. So now what we will do, in ascending order, first the smallest number will come and at the last greatest number will come. So here we'll arrange 2047 on the first place and 3280 on the last place. In middle we'll arrange it from these both boxes. See here, I have already arrange for you. First one, the smallest one, 2047, then 2796, then 3206, and the greatest number is 3280. I hope you understand. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest one. Now the descending order. As you all know very well, descending order is opposite of ascending order. Correct? In ascending order, smallest to the greatest, but here in descending order, smallest to the greatest to the smallest. Very good. You have to remember this. In descending order, you have to arrange numbers from greatest to the smallest. Very good. Biggest to the smallest. When we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we call it the descending order. Okay, see here the chart. First the biggest one, then small, then small, then small, and the smallest one. This kind of things are called descending order. The next one, with the numbers which are arranged as in ascending order. Now those numbers only are arranged in the descending order. The first one, the biggest one, 3280. Next one, 3206. Next one, 2796, and the last smallest one is 2047. See, when you write same numbers in ascending and descending order, how this pattern will come, I wanted to show you that. Okay, I shown you differently ascending and descending order, but from those number only I am going to show you how to write. You will get one idea. Now 3280, 2047, 2796, and the last one 3206. For these numbers we arranged as a ascending order. So we written here 2047 first smallest one, then 2796, then 3206, and the last one 3280. Now when you have to write descending order, it's very easy. Okay, which number you written last in the ascending order, na, you have to arrange that number first in the descending order. Okay, and the second last number where you written in the what you written in the ascending order, same you have to write next to the biggest number. Then the second number 2796 you have to write down here. Okay, and the last one 2047 you have to write down in the last. Just check out, you will get one idea easily. This is also an exercise question from your textbook. So these numbers are 1000, you have to read with me, 1800, 2800, 1700, 1400. Here see, on thousands place everywhere, first in three numbers on thousands place 111 is there, correct, and in one number 2 is there on thousands place. Okay, so you have to keep this number side and you have to check first these three numbers. Okay, on 100 place, here 800 is there, here 700 is there, here 400 is there. 8, 7 and 4. Which one is the smallest one? 4. So very easy. And last one, 10th place and 1's place, all zeros are there, correct na? So you have to check on the 100 place only. 4, 7, 8. So smallest one is 4. So let's go for the ascending order. See, as I told you, first we checked which numbers are there on which place value. So in ascending order, first the smallest number will come. So which one is the smallest one? Correct, 1400. Next one 1700. Next one 1800, and the biggest number will come in the last, that is 2800. Have you understand? Okay, next one, descending order. Descending order, as I already told you, the last number of the ascending order will come the first 2800, then 1800, then 1700, and the last one is 1400. Correct? One more example is there. Here 7483, 8029, 5324, 4090. Can you repeat one more time with me? 7483, 8029, 5324, 4090. So first go for the ascending order. Let's arrange. First the smallest one is 4900, because here you don't have to go for the tens, 100, ones place. On thousands place only numbers are changed. So the smallest one is 4, and the check on thousands place which one is the small, a little bit big, 5, 7, 8. So 5324. Then after 5, 7 will come, 7483, and the last biggest number is 8029. In descending order, can you tell me which number will come first? Yes, correct, 8029, and next one 7483. and the next one 5324. At the last, yay, correct, 4090. So children, hope you all have understand this. So just practice. Maths need more practice. Okay, so just practice, and hope you all are fit and fine. Stay home, stay safe.